Hey Google, TV on.
Sure, turning the TV on.
Cool, right? In this video, I'll be giving you some practical applications of these smart plugs and probably help you decide whether to get these devices for your own homes. In 2018, I bought 3 of these Ewolink smart plugs, and these were basically my first home automation devices. The price then was 272 pesos each, and that already includes shipping. 2 years later, I added 2 more, and the price was only 249 pesos each. And on that same year, I encountered another smart plug from Waga Life, and since it was only 179 pesos, I bought 4. So all in all, I have a total of 9 smart plugs at home. I will be comparing these two in a separate video. So what then is a smart plug? A smart plug is a small device that can basically turn any appliance smart. Smart in the sense that you can remotely control the power that's coming in or out on that particular appliance. Or with some automation, you can attach a smart plug to an electric fan or TV, for example, and it will automatically turn off once you leave the house. Or maybe you can turn on and off a refrigerator at a specific period of time. Like in our case, we turn off our ref at 8 in the evening, and that's automatic because of the smart plug, and it will turn back on at 8 in the morning. And if you guys are wondering why we're doing that, and it's not advisable because refs are supposedly plugged into the 24/7, our house is powered by an off-grid home solar system. So it would be better if we're gonna power our ref during daytime so that we can save a lot of power. To control the smart plug, you need to install an app. Like in my case, I installed Ewolink for most of the smart devices that I'm using at home. Or you can have a centralized application like the Google Home Mini. Or maybe Alexa. It depends upon your preference. And if you don't have an internet, you can still use the smart plug by simply pressing on the device. Okay, so in the living room, we're actually using, again, the Ewolink to control the TV. So if I'm gonna press the button for the TV will automatically turn on, like in this case. So aside from the TV, the lamp as well as the lights in the living room can be controlled by the Ewolink or through a voice command through Google Mini. So let me try turning on the lamp through the Ewolink app. And there you have it. Then I can also control the lights inside the living room. I can turn on the north side, the south side, and of course I can turn off both by simply telling Google Home Mini, "Hey Google, turn the living room off."
Sure, turning 4 things off.
Aside from convenience, the smart plug also offers safety as it automatically turns off a device after 40 minutes. The inching mode of the Ewolink app serves as a timer that can switch off an appliance. So if you will be leaving the house, you will be very sure that your rice cooker will be turned off, and if you wish to reheat your rice, you can actually switch it on like 15 minutes before you arrive. In my own toilet and bath, I installed a smart plug that will trigger the switch on once a movement is detected by the passive infrared sensor. And without any movement, the switch will turn off after 1 minute. In my room, I have 2 smart plugs connected to the network. The one is controlling the lamp on schedule,
So every day the lamp will switch on at 10 in the evening and turns off at 5 in the morning. You can also trigger the switch to turn on and off at any time. My AC is controlled by the Smart Life app. And if I want to make sure that the room is cool as soon as I arrive, I can trigger the switch, of course, to turn it on. Turn it off when I want to.
So those are some of the applications that I've been using with the smart plugs. Now, if you ask me if it's worth buying in 2021, I can definitely say yes for several reasons. One is it's very cheap now, thanks to China. Second, it offers convenience by simply turning your appliances on and off using your mobile phone or with a centralized app like Google Home or Alexa. The third one is it can make your homes safe because you can check your phone what appliances are on in the house, especially if you're out. And the fourth one is it can make your house a little bit futuristic. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.